Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate our app EdgeEval. So in our app, we have history, models, benchmark, and model info. First of all, if we look at take picture and choose from gallery, these are not active yet because we don't have any model loaded. So in model info, we can see our device info and our current configuration. We have no configuration yet. This is the default configuration. This runs on everything. So let's go into history. If we go into history, it will show all the benchmarking and all the things we have already done. So in models, we can load our models. So first of all, let's import some models in download. For example, I'm loading this model. And when I'm loading this model, it asks for the label file. I can choose any label file here. Right now, this is our label file. I'm selecting this one and the model is loaded here. Okay, so let's go back, and here we have to click the load button first. Now the model is loaded, and these two are now available. The choose gallery and the take photo. So if we choose from the gallery, so let's see, for example, this is something I'm choosing right now, and it says the result. It also shows the performance, that pre-processing time, inference time, post-processing time, and total memory it took. Okay, so let's go back, and if we go into benchmark, we can see we have some options here. First, we can select a single image and we can run it on single model. We have some parameters to change, and first let's select an image from here like this one. Done. And we can select our model and run the benchmark here. I'm pausing the video now. I'll be back in a few moments. Now, as you can see, the benchmark is done here. It was done with this model here, and we can copy and paste this text as well. Now, if we go down, we can see that there is another one. If someone wants to do the scientific experiments, for example, cross-validation or doing benchmark on folders, they can do that as well. We can select the folders from here. For example, from accuracy test, we can see select, and we can select the rise, allow, and we can do McNamara test and also Wilcoxon k-fold, that means cross-validation. So let's select the cross-validation, and I'm doing only for 2-fold, and we can run the benchmark. Now, as you can see, our benchmark is done here and our result is here. So what unique about our app is that we can go back, we can select models, and we can import models, for example, from output, and we can select efficient net. We can select int, choose file, plus file. We can choose float, choose file. Again, these two are float models, and these two are efficient net models. Then we can go to mobile net. We can select TF Lite, this one, this one. We can again select float 32-bit, choose, and we can select float 32-bit. So if we can see, this one was for rice. Okay, so the rice one is loaded here. If we go back and if we go into benchmark, right now we don't have only rice, we have other models as well. These models are trained on the ham dataset. So what we can do is that we can now select multiple of them from here, and we can do the benchmark on, instead of doing on rice, we can do it on ham. Here we have the ham dataset. We can use this folder, allow, and we can do the test here as well. Right, in the past we have done on single. Now we can do on both models. We have two models selected here, and we have selected Wilcoxon. We are going for like 2 folds, just like the previous one, and we can run the test now. As you can see, the test is running. I'll be back in a few moments. Now the benchmarking is done, we can see that it shows our statistical comparison and also the accuracy here. Okay, so another important thing is that it shows the peak memory usage, then it shows the backend, and it shows the average CPU usage and the power draw. Okay, so if we go back from here, we can select from gallery, we can select any image. For example, in the past we had rice model loaded. For example, let me go back for a moment. If we can see, we have now rice model loaded. This was for rice. We can load the image model here. We can go back and we can select the ham dataset. We can run it on ham. So this app is domain independent and model independent as well. As you can see that I ran I ran classifications on 2 domains, and I ran 4 models at the same time, 4 different models. So it's model independent and it's domain independent. And we can also take photos from here. We can take live photos. That function works as well. Thank you.